Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today we're going to jump into the charts. Bitcoin is running up, which is beautiful. It's pushing through the major resistance, and that's a very important thing. Make sure you hit the subscribe. We're going to hit 69,000 subscribers, just about, I think, 10 more people left. Smash up the thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video down there on your phone. We're going to jump into the technicals for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. I'm going to show you my trades and what I think is going to happen. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. To the technicals for Bitcoin, and look at this, we're sitting right on the resistance, and it got rejected off the resistance. But what's very interesting, it got rejected off the resistance, and now it's going back into the resistance. So that's a very powerful thing, because normally, so what I'm talking about is this point here, this blue line, and I'm going to explain what. So if you're looking at this and you're overwhelmed and you're looking at this and going, what is all this? You can join 6,000 students learning what I'm doing in the cryptocurrency master course. You can, and I teach you technical analysis, how to trade, everything. So this is 2-year trend line of Bitcoin, this blue trend line, as Bitcoin's been climbing for 2 years. And when we, a bit more than a month ago, we broke underneath this trend line, and that was very bearish. It came to a major support. And then a few days ago, it broke this downtrend line. When I called the top on November 11th, we came down from 69,000 and we started heading down. And it broke this white downtrend line, this white line here. And when it broke it, we went heavy into Bitcoin here. I made a video as it broke it. Now, it also broke, so this was the moving average cross that came down, and the moving average cross just crossed yesterday to head up, so that's very bullish. A lot of volume coming in. Stochastic overbought, but still heading up. EMA ribbons, we're inside the EMA ribbons right now, and we're trying to push through, so this could really be the bottom for Bitcoin if it manages to break through the EMA ribbons. VPVR, we have a lot of resistance, and the biggest area of buying and selling for Bitcoin is at the 43,000 of all time for Bitcoin. If we can get through this $42,000, $43,000 area, the next one will be 47,000. So these are the big resistance areas. The Crypto Guru bot still not switching to a buy yet. It went sell on, you get this in the course, it went sell on 60K on the 14th of November, and we're still in the red sell area. It hasn't turned blue. For example, back here in October 2020, it went blue from 9,000. We went all the way up to 60,000 before it turned to red. So it hasn't turned to a blue buy yet. But Bitcoin is still showing bullishness, trying to get back into this resistance, and it's fighting in this resistance right now, which is a very nice sign. Let's go into the daily. Let's go a bit closer onto the daily candles. And again, I teach you all how all this works, the stochastic, all this. So stochastic is overbought, but still heading up. Squeeze mob is going to the green side, just getting started. Money flow is heading up very strongly. So that's a very good sign that Bitcoin's starting to head up very strongly on the daily. In the 4-hourly, now this is quite amazing, because we bought Bitcoin here. If you followed my videos a few days ago, when I was making the video, Bitcoin was breaking out of this area, and we heavily bought Bitcoin here. So we made a lot of gains, which I'll show you in a minute. And then once we got here, this formed a bull flag. And yesterday I called the bull flag, and I was exactly precise. We had the pole, we have the flag, and we've broken out. Now we're at a very strong area of resistance. But my target from yesterday was 46,000 if you watched yesterday's video, because that's the pole of the bull flag, this distance here. And if anyone comments in the comment section below, but 10 days ago that you said that we might be going to $29,000, Bitcoin changes every day. I'm a day trader, technically trading Bitcoin. People bought 20,000 Bitcoin to break it out of this downtrend. So it changes in every moment. So you need to subscribe to the channel, and you need to watch daily the videos to see what's going to keep happening. It updates daily, even minutes to the hours I post videos. So we have stochastic overbought, but still heading up. We created this bull flag. It broke out of the bull flag, and now it's at this blue line of heavy resistance. And this blue line I drew months ago, almost a year ago. So look how amazing it is that on this blue line, you can see that Bitcoin's fighting the blue line. It broke through, came back, retested, went underneath, came back. It's sitting right on the line right now, on this blue line that was drawn more than a year ago. And that's how amazing technical analysis is. If you have any doubts, this was 1 year ago. We had points here, and it gives us a giant blue trend line. We also had points further back that gives us this blue trend line. So we got this trend line more than a year ago. I'll show you. So a point here and a point here gave us 2 points that gave us this trend line. And then 2 years later, Bitcoin is sitting right today, sitting right on that blue trend line. That's, if you have any doubts about technical analysis, you can learn this all in my course. It's very powerful. So let's go into the hourly. The 4-hourly, we're overbought heading up. We've got stochastic, squeeze mob, green, still green, heading lower. That money flow is flowing out. So it's at a very point of heavy resistance. But to me, it seems very bullish. Why? Because once it got to this resistance, it should have been rejected very hard because this is a major resistance. But it got rejected and then it's going back up again. So it's showing a lot of strength for Bitcoin. Let's go into the hourly. What's going to happen for the rest of today, for the next few hours? We got volume coming in, stochastic turning to head up again. We're sitting, look at this, sitting on the blue line that was drawn more than a year ago. We're literally sitting on it. That's how powerful technical analysis. We had actually a spike on Bitcoin all the way to 43,000. My target on this bull flag that I talked about yesterday is going to be around 48,000 even. So we have potential for a really big movement here for Bitcoin. Let's go close and turn on some indicators. EMA ribbons, we're above the EMA ribbons on the hourly. So right now we're very bullish. And on the hourly, in my opinion, we're going to break out and start heading towards that 48K, which is amazing. Squeeze mob still on the green side, money flow index, money flowing in. Now I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment, you can join my traders. I have more than 2,000 traders that are trading on my what I'm showing you. So underneath this video, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video. Hit subscribe. We're going to hit 69,000 subscribers today. Join the 69,000. Click the join button to see my live trades. And if you want to trade like you're going to see me do, I use this software, Bitcoin Trading on Bybit. This link down below. If you use this link, you get a sign up bonus of $4,100 US when you sign up to use Bybit. So you go down there, you click it, you sign up to use Bybit, and it'll open this software. And why I like Bybit, if you've been using other exchanges and you're automatically in the negative when you open trades or you get liquidated, I really like Bybit software. In this account, I have now 106, almost 107,000 USD. It was at $96,000 last week. So it's up more than $10,000 so far this week, which is beautiful. 2.5 Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 1 point, I've got 1.4 worth of Bitcoin. I've got Bit, $16,000 of Bit. I've got Cake, almost $13,000 of Cake, and I've got 11,000 USDT. I have a Bitcoin trade that I opened yesterday. It's up slightly $100, which is very nice. Up around 24%. It was just a small trade, but up because it was at that heavy area of resistance. But up $100 is quite nice in one day, which is beautiful. It just turned to $100. And yes, that's what's happening right now in Bitcoin. And in my opinion, we are bullish. If we can break through this resistance line, it's very bullish. These are some comments, Jade. James always says, be careful right here when he feels like the need to give a warning. Of course, everyone needs to make their own decisions. Exactly. I'm showing you what I am doing, but I appreciate all the work he puts together so he can be more cautious when making a trade. He's always the first one to give warning before it happens. Thank you so much, Jade. You are the best, brother. Thank you for your videos. Thank you, Manny. Thank you, James, for the amazing effort on vacation. He's still uploading daily. Much love and keep up the great work. I'm always on vacation, actually. I've been traveling and doing this for almost 18 years, 15 years traveling, so I'm quite used to this. Bitcoin technical analysis ever, best Bitcoin tech. You are the first YouTuber analyst who is objective and not bullish biased. Thank you for that. I called the top on November 11th, which is beautiful. So that's what's happening to Bitcoin. That's what I think is going to happen. Big area of resistance here, but if we break through it, I will add more to my longs, which is beautiful. Thank you all for watching. Join 69,000 people. Hit that subscribe button. Smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.